Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and we're now looking at the euro versus the dollar and also the pound versus the dollar. US dollar generally weak in here against actually most G10 currencies. From back here, really, the weakness coming from when the Fed hiked rates back here early to mid December, and the dollar generally weaker since then, which has allowed euro dollar higher in here. The acceleration we saw in here through last week, I say the week before last, we saw this acceleration after the ECB also hinted at a slightly more hawkish tone in here. So the more hawkish tone from the ECB driving euro dollar above the early 2018 peak there at 120.90, and real threat for a much higher price action here up towards 124, 125 potentially into the latter part of January, as we see a high level consolidation last week. So all the bullish pressures are very much intact, and we're looking for much higher price action, say 124, 25, maybe up to 126 into the second half of this month. Similar outlook for the pound in here. So we've got the more bullish tone in here, really emerging dollar weakness more than anything else, but also the pound being dragged higher in here by the euro really more than anything else. It wasn't really anything to do with pound strength, but the pound continuing higher as we're getting some maybe asset allocation into the pound. So we're seeing the market higher and just below now the psychological 140 level. We're at post-Brexit peaks up here at 139.43.45, aiming at 140 and potentially above through the late part of January. This has been Steve Miley, Market Chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.